determine whether the function is odd, even, or neither. Okay, so f of x equals 4 minus x squared. So, okay, let's go with the rules for odd and even and either. If function is odd, f of negative x equals negative f of x, right? If the function is even, right, f of negative x equals f of x, right? If it's neither, right, it doesn't match the two above, the two premises above. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this, right? Alright, so f of negative x is going to be 4 minus, and where we see x, I'm going to put negative x squared equals 4 minus negative x squared is negative x times negative x, right? And that'll be 4 minus negative x times negative x is positive x squared equals 4 minus x squared. So let's outline that. So that is f of negative x, right? Now what is negative f of x? That's going to be negative 1 times your function, and that's going to be negative 1 times 4 minus x squared, and just evenly distribute it. And so it'll be negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Negative 1 times negative x squared is positive x squared. So negative f of x is going to be negative 4 plus x squared, right? And now let's see if it's odd, even, or neither. Okay. So odd says f of negative x equals negative f of x. Now let's look at this. 4 is positive here and 4 is negative here. So that's not true. X, right? Put an X right next to it to show that's not true. Even. F of negative x is equal to f of x. 4 minus x squared in the f of x, negative x, right, is equal to f of x. 4 minus x squared. True. So this is even. Okay, so then what are we going to write? This function is even. Is an even function, right? Is an even function. Because f of negative x equals f of x.